gorgeous people. This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today is Whatever Wednesday, and on this video, I have for you friend mail. Okay, guys, so I was expecting something from both of the jeans because they did let me know that they sent something to me. I just wasn't expecting it to be a box. I was expecting just, something little and nice and hey, I'm just thinking about you. But there are boxes, guys. I'm super excited. Can't wait to see what's inside them. And I also got a card from Kim from Kimmy's Boxes. So without further ado, let's get started with this. Okay, guys, so I'm going to start with the card from Kim. I'm not going to show you the other side because it's got addresses on it that you just can't see, guys. You just can't see them. All right, so let me go ahead and open up the card and see what she sent to me. Maybe. Oh, here we go. Aw. It says, gee, you shouldn't have. I can read. I promise. Okay, so look how cute that is. The card is just adorable. All right, let's open it up. Oh, how pretty. She's got gems in here. Amber, but sure glad you did. Thank you. I just wanted to thank you for including me in the Easter friend mail. It really means a lot. You are awesome. Love you, girl. Kim from Kimmy's Boxes. Guys, look how beautiful all these gems are. That is so pretty. I love it. Kim, you are so welcome. And I love your creativity. Girl, you're crafty. You didn't know you were crafty. You're crafty. It took a little bit of time to do this and put these on here. Girl, you're crafty. I'm just saying. All right, Kim, you are quite welcome. I enjoy sending friend mail. It is one of the best things that I feel that I do on YouTube because I have so much fun doing it. All right, so now we're going to jump into the box from Jean Louise. And I can show you the front because it's just our P.O. boxes. And again, I wasn't expecting a box. I was like, when I went to my post office box and they're like, yeah, you got some stuff behind the counter. I'm like, behind the counter? Why is it behind the counter? Because they're boxes! Woo! Okay, guys, so this is from Jean Louise, and her channel is called Jean Louise. If you guys are not subscribed to any of the channels that I'm mentioning on today's video, I'll have everything linked in the description box below. So let's pop this open. Oh, how lovely. We got a card on top. She's got bubble wrap. I need the bubble wrap. I need the bubble wrap. Okay. So let me see if I can show you guys this without spilling it all out. We're going to go ahead and start with the card. Ah, those are cute. I'll show you guys that in a second, but it's so cute. So we have a card right here. We're going to start with the card. It is adorable heel stickers. Yes, 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 Jean. Loving it already. Okay, why can't I get these cards opened? So weird. Oh, that's like personalized. I think someone might have got this for her, but it's got the little ladybug on it, and then it has her name at the bottom. How cute is that, guys? Love it. Okay. Oh, how beautiful. Everybody's getting creative. I'm saying y'all are crafty, all right? Everybody is. Okay. Oh, she has great handwriting. It says, hi, Amber. I am sending these to you just because you are you. Aww. You are so thoughtful and beautiful inside and out. Oh, thank you. I know you are crazy busy, so please do not feel like you have to make a video. Oh, girl, this is what we do. We make videos. So I will make the time to make the video, even though it might be a little late. I just wanted to let you know that I am thinking about you and that I consider you a wonderful friend. Aw, well, I do you as well, Jean. I can't wait to meet you in person someday. Love you, Jean Louise. Jean, you know what? That could happen sooner than you think. I'm just saying, I'm an extremely unpredictable person. So if I just happen to be out near where you live, I might let you know I'll be out that way. I'm just saying. Because, girl, you're not that far, actually. Maybe, 8 hours or something like that? You'll just never know. Look at how beautiful this is, guys. I love it. We have the ladybugs and the gorgeous heart with the amethyst stone in the center. Love purple. As you can see, we'll just put my ring right here. Boom. Love purple. So that's my favorite color, obviously. And the amethyst is my favorite stone. Even though it's for February, that's still how I buy a lot of my jewelry. That's real. This one's real. So, the one beside it's fake from KL Fandom Monthly. One of my favorite subscriptions. Okay, we're getting way off track here. Let's get into the friend mail from Jean Louise. I love these stickers. I love these stickers, and I can't wait to do something with them. Look at how pretty these are, guys. I would definitely do a piece of artwork for my shoe room. Perfect, Jean. Love it. So more art for my shoe room. Oh my gosh. Pac-Man fetish thing. I love Pac-Man. Love Pac-Man. Jean listens when I say things, apparently. She got me a Pac-Man lip kit. Guys, I love lip balms and all that kind of stuff, and I'm telling you about it. I'm not showing it to you. Look at this! Ah! I love it. I mean, I love it! This is so awesome, Jean! And I want to keep the box. It's Wet n Wild Pac-Man lip balm set. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is so cool. Jean, this is so cool. Like, I don't want to open it. It's just so cool. Oh my gosh. That is awesome, Jean. That is so awesome. I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh, stop it. Where did you find this, Jean? Ah, this is so cool. Okay, so then she found this Wet n Wild palette. And that's a powder. It's a blush, highlighter, illuminator. And then we have the palette with a brush. Oh, and Pac-Man! Oh my gosh, this is so awesome. You guys, look at this. Oh my gosh, Jean, this is amazing! This is amazing! Oh my gosh, this is so amazing. I want to open this up, but I don't want this video to get too long. But you guys, oh my god, this is amazing. I mean, I don't even want to mess it up. So I want to like gently open it. So I'm not going to open it. But Jean, oh my gosh. Where did you find this? I'm dying. I mean, I'm dying. This is so awesome, Jean. Oh my god, this is so awesome. Okay, I could just stand here and say how awesome this is forever. Jean, thank you, thank you, thank you. This is like the coolest thing ever. I mean, ever. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Thank you so much, Jean. How thoughtful is that? I mean, I just love Pac-Man. I'm definitely going to do something with the box as well. So, guys, you're going to see the box in a DIY. I'm just going to call myself out on that right now because this is just too awesome to not use for something. Jean, I can't thank you enough. This is really, truly super awesome. I'm super excited about it. Woo! Okay, I'm going to sit that off to the side. And now we're going to jump into the other Jean, which is Jean from Jean's Junk. Again, guys, all of the channels that I'm mentioning will be linked in the description box below. And Jean sent me this lovely box. Look how cute it is. She's got all these fun little stickers on here. Obviously Easter related. So I'm a little late opening this stuff, guys. What the heck is wrong with me? So it just took me a little while to get to my P.O. box because I was working on so many house projects. And when I went there, I was not expecting these lovely, lovely boxes. Let me tell you, I'm super excited. So I'm going to open this the rest of the way. Ooh, and we got some more bubble wrap. Thanks, guys. I am in so need of the bubble wrap because I'm getting ready to send some mail out for a collab that I'm in. And oh, how beautiful. I love these. Look. So this is what I'm seeing when I open this up. How cool is that? Okay, guys. So these say, Jesus said, I am the resurrection and the life. Here you go. How beautiful is that? That looks like a cupcake thing, decoration that you stick in your cupcake. Very cool. Loving that. And then she's got some little bunnies, a purple and a pink on the other side. How cute is that? Ah! I'm definitely going to keep these, guys, and I'm going to use them because that's what I do. So you guys will see these, because this would be really cute if I do fake cupcakes for my Easter decor, and I'll stick these in my fake cupcakes. I'll do a DIY on that, but you guys won't see it till next year because it's going to be Easter related. Let me set this right here and pop this open. Oh, I love this. Okay, so we have a card. Yay! Let's open the card first. Just ducking in. How cute is that? Jean gets me with stuff. There's already stuff falling out. So here's this. Super cute. I am already prepared for what might be in here. Okay, we're just going to put it right over this. Okay. I was just waiting so I didn't scream this time. She's got all kinds of beautiful cross confetti in here, guys. Little cross confetti. And this also fell out too. She's got a, oh, that's really pretty. A flamingo sticker, but it's really pretty. Look at that, guys. That's a super pretty sticker. Mine's already racing, guys, with ideas of what to do with that. And then she put in this lovely card right here. So I'm going to read what it says, guys. Hold on one second here. It says, you will keep in perfect peace and who trust in you, all whose thoughts are fixed on you. Isaiah 26:3. That's what the little card says. Love getting these. I'm definitely going to be keeping them. That is awesome. So I feel like I have a hair, guys. Sorry, I'm just trying to find it. That's why I keep doing that. And I'm like not finding it. Okay, so it says, just ducking in to say hi. Happy Easter, just me, Jean. So it says, hi, sorry this might make a mess. Thank you for your support and always including me. No problem, Jean. I don't stress about messes. My thought is everything can be cleaned up. I mean, my son just, well, almost everything can be cleaned up. Well, I'm going to try to clean up, but he just ruined the dining room rug with spaghetti. Awesome. But I think I can get it out, believe it or not, because, you know, I use that method with the peroxide and the dish soap and something else you put with it. But anyways, peroxide, dish soap, and baking soda, right? I think so. And that seems to work really well. Okay, enough about all that. Let's get in here. I love it. This is awesome. So going right in my kitchen. Heard that? That's right. I heard that. Look how cute that is. I love it. Oh my gosh, I love it. Yes, I love my cows, guys. Love, love, love my cows. Okay. It's a box. All right. It's got stuff on the sides of it too. So hold on a second. I think an explosion's about to happen. I think that's why she was warning me. Because I can see this box was constructed to deconstruct. All right, so it says, you are magical on the front of the box here. Okay, so we're going to save the box for just a second because there's some other things in here because I think the box is going to explode. I'm pretty sure it is. Okay, so let's go ahead and show you some of the other stuff that she sent to me. And then we'll get into her lovely little box. Oh, thank you so much for all of the bubble wrap. I need the bubble wrap. And there's all kinds of other things in the box, guys. That's what I'm doing right now. Just in case you're wondering what is taking me so long. I want to make sure I don't miss anything. Okay. I don't think I did. So we're going to set the box right there. And we're going to go over some of the stuff that was in the box here. She has these, oh yes, cucumber under eye pads. Yes. Always using those. Hopefully someday they'll work and I will look like I'm in my 20s. Okay, so then we have a retinol rejuvenating, smoothing, revitalizing mask. How awesome is that? Yes, yes, yes. That's awesome. Vitamin E. It's a moisturizing one. All right, down for that for sure, for sure. Then we have, oh yes, a foot mask. Oh, my feet need some major help. Sorry. Here's the foot mask. Let me hold it like this so you guys can actually see it. That's really awesome. And then we have a hand and nail gloves. She just hit all of the body parts with mask. Awesome. Super cool. And she also stuck in eye polish. So what is eye polish? It's a top coat with silicone application tool. Let me see. Oh, okay. I see. So let me just show you. This is by Pure. Here you go. Oh, maybe you guys are seeing it. I sure hope that you guys are. When I open it up, it just, oh, here, it shows you on the back what it is. So I don't have to take it out. Awesome, awesome. I will definitely be using that. We'll put that back in there. Then we have this pH, oh, it's a cleanser. Here you go. That is awesome. Definitely going to get some use out of that. And we have, ooh, a nice hot pink. I do paint my toenails, guys. I put fake nails on my fingers and then I paint my toenails. So this will definitely get use out of it because I love the color. How pretty is that? All right. I think an explosion's about to happen. I think there's going to be flying butterflies and things when I open this. So brace yourselves, guys, because I'm bracing myself. And is it coming off? Oh. I know it's going to happen, guys. Okay. I think I got it. Is everybody ready? Because I'm not. I'm like scared. Ah! Okay. One butterfly went. I was really scared. Okay. So here's one of the butterflies that started to go. And here's what the inside looks like, guys. So fun. And I think oh, here we go. The other ones are going to go. Ready? Oh! There they go. That's so fun. Oh, look, she's got all these fun little eggs in here. I'm definitely going to reuse everything that's here, guys. Look at these cute little carrots. Oh, yes. All getting reused. Nothing will go unused here, guys. And then, yes, I love Kit Kats, guys. That is truly awesome. Love, love, love Kit Kats. Okay, we're going to put all this other stuff in the box. How cute is this? Farm Shop fresh milk. Yay! That'll go right in my kitchen. Love it, love it. That is so cute. So fun. Okay, and then we got a lot more candy, guys. Oh my gosh. Like, there's a lot more candy in here. That is so awesome. Let me go ahead and move the candy aside because I see a couple little eggs in here. We'll take a look at those. We'll put all that stuff in. Oh, these are beautiful eggs. Oh, how fun. Oh my gosh. Hold on, guys. Oh, these are so pretty. Look. Oh, well, you're not looking. Sorry. Look at how pretty these are. Oh my gosh. That is so incredible. And it's purple. I love it. That is going to be so great for next year. I definitely am going to do something with those. Oh. And then we have a pink one with a green bunny. How fun, guys. Look at that. These are beautiful little eggs. I love these little egg ornaments. I'm probably going to put them like in a wreath or something. They are so pretty. And this is so stinking cute. Stop it. What does he do? He does something. Ah! I love it. That is fun. Check it out, guys. Right in the kitchen for sure, for sure. Is it like motion activated? Is he going to move the rest of the time? So funny. He's cute. I love it, love it, love it. And then she put a couple of whack packs in there. Awesome, awesome. I sent those out this year as well. Hope you guys can hear me over the cow. Jean, how fun. Oh my gosh. The work that you put into this, girl. I love it. I love it. Jean is super, super crafty. She does crocheting, I think it is, and knitting, and she is just masterful at it. She makes a lot of really awesome pieces, and she dabbles in all kinds of other stuff too, but knitting and crocheting seems to be her passion, and she is so incredible at it. Again, guys, I will link both of the Jean's channels below, as well as Kim from Kimmy's Boxes. Please, if you haven't checked any of them out, make sure that you jump over and check them out after you're done watching this video. Huge thank you to Kim, Jean, and Jean for sending me all of this lovely friend mail. I greatly appreciate all three of you, and I love you to death. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! And on this video, I have for you friend mail. So, guys, I wasn't expecting any of this friend mail that I'm going to show you today, and I lost my train of thought, and that loud car isn't helping, so let's try it again. My name is Amber Meeks. Today is Whatever Wednesday, and on this video, I just feel so incredibly off. Try it again.